My name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat's urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorizer, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. Mrs. Elaine from Pennsylvania called me. She said, I am very upset today. I tried for so long to clean this beautiful Oriental rug, then I have it for more than 20 years in my house. My cat, new cat, then I adopted, start using one of the area and it smelled really bad. This is a wool rug, then I really love it. It fit my dining room area perfectly. And I have to clean it. And I try everything's in a market. I bought Nature Miracle, I bought Woolite, Resolve, Febreze, you name it, I bought it. I use everything's in my disposal, in my power. I bought a Hoover, I sent it to a local Oriental rug cleaner, and it still smells. Now it's in a garage and I have to make a decision. Throw away 20 years of rug, then I really love it and it cost me a lot of money, or send it to I don't know where to be clean. So I went to Mr. Google and I asked them, help me to find a company to clean my rug. I didn't get any good lead. And then I type, wool rugs smell worse after cleaning. This is my problem because I tried to clean the rug so many times. I did everything. I sent it. So this is the real problem. Why the rug smelling so bad after I tried to clean it or somebody else tried to clean it? Why? My name is Mayor Martin and I'm the owner of PetPeePee. Let me explain. Everybody in the United States in the world can clean Oriental rug from dirt and soil, because the dirt and soil is only on the top. When you came to the problem, then it's calling urine odor. It's a total different cleaning process. If you have a small dog such as Yorkie, Shih Tzu, Maltese, Bichon, or a cat, when they pee, it's a small pee-pee. Many times you don't even pay attention to it until it starts smelling really bad. Now, ask yourself, where is the pee-pee hide? The pee-pee is all the way from the top of the rug to the bottom of the rug, and 80-90% of it, it's in the foundation of the rug, the area that you cannot reach. the hard part begin. You going to the pet store and you ask the salesman over there, what is the best cleaning product to remove dog pee-pee or the cat's pee-pee? And he gave you some cleaning product and it didn't work, and you try another cleaning product and another one and another one. And you said, you know what? I'm going to Costco and I'm going to buy the Hoover and I'm going to steam the carpet. The same thing like Stanley Steamer, Coit, and all the other carpet cleaner company do. So I'm going to save money and I'm going to do it. Great. Let me explain why it's impossible for everybody, Oriental rug cleaner, and for you to remove the urine odor from the wool silk Oriental rug. The pee-pee, the vomit, the diarrhea, the moisture travel all the way down to the foundation of the rug and sit down like in a living room. Call their cousin, the bacteria, and all of them together have a beautiful party deep down the bottom of the rug. All the cleaning product that you apply just fuel the bacteria, give more food for the bacteria, because the enzyme supposed to eat the protein, the crystal, but where the pee-pee with the crystal will go? Nowhere. They will stay over there. Take a look how I cleaned the Oriental rug. I cleaned the Oriental rug through, and my cleaning product that's from the Dead Sea come with the reaction with the pee-pee together, with the urine crystal and all the other cleaning product the customer used, and the reaction between the Dead Sea cleaner and all the other cleaning product the customer used, plus the pee-pee, the protein, everything's cause reaction in the bottom of the rug, and the steam that's coming neutralize, kill the urine crystal naturally. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense, so save yourself an elbow grease. Clean the Oriental rug the right way and enjoy it. For this reason, I invented the PetPeePee machine that cleans the Oriental rug in a mysterious way like the Dead Sea. Please visit Google and see the reviews the customers post all over United States. Thank you for watching.
PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.